Welcome, my friend. Maybe you've been told you're broken. Maybe you've even believed it. Maybe the weight you carry has convinced you that something inside of you is permanently damaged, that your story has too many cracks, too much pain, too many mistakes to ever be whole again. But let me offer a different truth. You weren't broken. You were being reconstructed. The truth is, sometimes what we call broken is just life pulling apart everything that was never meant to stay. Sometimes pain isn't here to destroy, it's here to rebuild, to strip away the lies, to tear down the false identities, to reset the foundation of who we are and what we're here to do. See, you can't rebuild something powerful on a weak foundation. You can't rise into strength while still clinging to what was. So life, in all its brutal grace, allows certain things to fall apart, not to punish you, but to prepare you, not to shame you, but to shape you. Every tear, every loss, every lonely night, when it felt like the world forgot your name, it wasn't the end. It was the beginning of the real you, the strong you, the version of you that doesn't need validation to breathe, the one that can rise again, not in spite of the pain, but because of it. Think about the moments when it all went quiet, when the noise stopped, and it was just you and your pain. Those were the moments that built something unshakable in you. Those were the moments that taught you endurance, patience, and depth. Because healing doesn't come in the spotlight. Rebuilding happens in silence. In the nights no one sees. In the mornings when no one is clapping. But you show up anyway. You were never weak. You were never broken. You were evolving. Becoming, reconstructing, brick by brick, moment by moment. You were being built into something solid, something real. So if you're still in the pain, if you're still in the tearing down, hold on. Don't let it convince you that this is the end. It's just the middle. You're still under construction. And what's coming next is going to make all of this worth it. Because you are not just the pain you've endured. You are the power you've created because of it. You are the wisdom born from every scar. The strength rising from every fall. You are not a victim of your story. You are the architect of what comes next. So stand tall, not as someone who never struggled, but as someone who survived the demolition and decided to rebuild anyway. You weren't broken. You were being reconstructed. And now it's time to rise.